Using someone else's video content without proper permission or without respecting copyright laws can have serious legal consequences on YouTube. It's important to respect intellectual property rights and follow the platform's guidelines. Here are some general guidelines to help you avoid copyright issues. Get permission. The safest and easiest way to use someone else's video is to get permission from the copyright holder. Contact the creator or rights holder and ask for explicit written permission to use their content in your video. Use public domain or Creative Commons content. Look for videos that are in the public domain or have a Creative Commons license. These types of videos are often free to use without explicit permission, but you will still need to check the specific license terms and provide credit where appropriate. Fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission, typically for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, or teaching. However, fair use is a complex area of the law, and whether a particular use qualifies as fair use depends on several factors, including the purpose and nature of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount used, and the effect on the market for the original work. If you believe your use falls under fair use, consult an attorney to evaluate your specific situation. Use royalty-free or licensed content. There are several websites that offer royalty-free or licensed video content. These platforms provide video clips that can be used legally by paying a fee or following the specific terms of use. Be sure to read and abide by the licensing terms of the content you choose to use. Transformative use. Creating transformative content by adding significant original commentary, analysis or creative elements to someone else's video may help in some cases. However, simply re-uploading or reposting someone else's video without making significant changes is less likely to be considered transformative. Give proper attribution. Whenever you use someone else's video content, even if it's allowed under a specific license, always give proper attribution as required by the license or the copyright holder. Give clear credit to the original creator by naming them and linking back to the original source. Remember, these are general guidelines and I am not a legal expert. It's important to consult a qualified lawyer who specializes in copyright law to get accurate and up-to-date advice for your specific situation.